Good morning and welcome back to the channel and to day 3 here at Camping Lemonniers in Carnac. You might say what happened to day 2. It was total washout. Torrential rain most of the day. All we did was go to a supermarket and I took some waste up to bins at entrance to the site and absolutely come back drenched. So we decided to spend the day in the mobile home. So today we're thinking of going to Barnes. So if you want to join us, and hopefully the weather does say it is improving, so if you want to join us, please carry on and watch this video. I'll see you when we get to Barnes. Bye for now. We've made it, we're here in Barnes. Just parked down by the harbour, free parking as well. Right, time to explore Barnes. The yacht going out here. Not quite a sunny day as what it has been. This is certainly a lot drier than yesterday. Oh, we've driven through town centre anyway. Yes, so driving through town centre were quite easier than I thought it'd be. Or I'm getting more confident. Tell you what, they have some lovely boats over here though in France, don't they?
No, but they have some nice ones in Portsmouth.
Yeah, there were some nice ones in Portsmouth as well. Not as many as this though.
Oh no, This is tourism.
Yeah, across there. You're a lump of things like old fish, innit? Yeah. So office to tourism over there. Looks like we're going to have to walk. Not swimming across anyway. It's a sleek model, isn't it? There's a market there as well. Yeah. So I take it that must go into the old town then?
Yeah, through the yard.
Yeah. We'll go down office to tourism first.
Okay. See if we can get a map.
So it must be a tidal harbour then. The building here, but it's a big marquee. Yeah, it could be. Olympic flame. Yeah, it's the first time as gazebo, that, isn't it? That's the most half-timbered buildings we've seen in this area. Yeah. Well, you take La Rochelle, I only saw 2 half-timbered buildings. So we've been to tourist information, we've got us map now, so we'll probably know where we're going now. Oh, we missed that shower while we're in tourist information anyway, didn't we? That's entrance to Old City. Right, through the arch. Quite modern. I expect to be a bit older. Shall we do the back street there? Let's do a back street. I think it's under the city wall, I think. Yes, you're into the old part here. Under the city. I say it's definitely the city walls, aren't it? Probably leads somebody's back garden. Oh, it just leads to somebody's front door. So we're outside the city wall as quick as that. There's bits I can remember from last time we come, but gardens are lovely anyway. Digging all plants up. We're getting ready for summer bedding. And they're further on than what they are at UK, aren't they? Yeah. Flowers and that. Yeah, I think when we come 30 years ago, I think we parked there, I think. I remember looking over at City Walls, yeah. Green Man's on. Well, it's not quite the picture we're expecting. It's been decimated gardens. Looks like they're planting it all for Olympic flame celebrations coming through 6th of June. I would expect to see it all colourful, as seen in pictures. I suppose when they finish it'll look lovely. That beach using hand shovel, doesn't it? Excavating. Yes, they're all busy planting. Impressive city walls though. What's that one, Karen? Yeah, they've gone over all these flowers, haven't they now? I can see why they've ripped them all up in front at walls. And ready for replanting. Starting to drizzle. Never mind. Try and get that bit while it rains on. Oh, it's had to rain a bit. Can't beat a bit of rain. Cannon sheltering. I'll go and join her. Just a short, sharp shower. Lovely half timbered building and gateway into the town. Another gateway, I should say. La Petite Train. At least they're under shelter. This is more like how you want, isn't it? Lots of little half-timbered buildings. Yeah. Certainly the medieval old quarter. This old street. Beautiful half-timbered buildings. So not a place I want to drive around. Stick to wider roads. Yeah, there's plenty of one-way streets and no entry signs. Well, they certainly short, sharp showers when they come down, aren't they? Not many set up outside at restaurants, is there? That was certainly a downpour. Waterfall going down steps. We're sheltered under there. Certainly short, sharp showers when they come down. Yes, easing off waterfall now. Can dry off again now. Before the next sharp shower. Right, we'll walk through this gateway. To the side at gate. It's a good shop, these restaurants, and take all these old timbered buildings, isn't it? Yeah. Bells from the cathedral. When I'm looking at the cathedral. Out of the cathedral there. Got these lovely half timbered buildings. So close together. Can't get the whole buildings in. Burton's are shut down here as well. Well, apart from the short, sharp showers, it's a lovely place. I can only remember the outer wall area from last time we visited. So that's the town hall, before any traffic gets in front of me. Yes, it's a compact centre, I must admit, isn't it?
What I've been waiting to see, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Walking back towards the timbered buildings, and we'll do a right. Looks like we could be ready for another sharp shower. Yeah, at 12:30, shops closing up for lunch. Yeah, well, they're only made for cars, weren't they, in old days? Yeah. Yeah, they weren't really made for modern cars, were they? That's why you got so many one way and no entrances, roads around. Taking it that were the well for the town, weren't it? Now it looks like it's a flower bed. Too many half-timbered buildings. Sheltering again from another sharp shower. They certainly come down heavy when they come down, don't they? He's running for shelter. We've got ours. Another sharp shower. Done with again. We're queuing up for a pan. That's us lunch. Just got it from that shop there. Traditional poulet. Or chicken salad sandwich. And the sun shines back out again. Another short, sharp shower. So we're on the ramparts now. Well, that little bit you can get on. You can only walk on this bit. Rest of it's cordoned off. Yeah, repairing the wall. Rain stopped again. So I think we're nearly back to the harbour again now. I think that's the gateway. Some nice chocolates in there. Yes, through that archway we should be to harbour again. So that's about Barnes Good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Barnes. In between these short, sharp showers. Here we are back at the harbour. Right, we'll end this video here. I'll just get on my catamaran now and we'll have a sail out to sea. Joking really. It'd be nice to have something like that. So, I hope you've enjoyed this little walk around Barnes. We've really enjoyed it, in between the sharp showers, very short sharp showers. And we're going to move off somewhere else, but that'll be a separate video. So if you like this one, don't forget to do a thumbs up and normal YouTubey stuff. And we'll see you in the next video from our trip to France. Bye for now. Last look at my catamaran.